If you're gonna speak Italian, first of all, you're gonna need something interesting to say. And this is your lucky day, because you found the worst language teacher on YouTube. I don't know Italian, and as you can hear, I hardly speak English, but I love Italian road bikes. So why don't you just quit your language course and join the Hot On Academy instead? Do you want to count some bikes with me? Let's start off by counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I want you to add the I've got. Io ho, or simply ho. And finally, you can brag about the bikes you've got to anyone you meet. For me right now, I've got 6 bikes. Ho 6 bici. But what if you've got more than 10 bikes? Then we got to do some more counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 e 20. And I hope that sorts you out regarding those bikes. Now, let's say you've been out riding and you want to inform what your average speed was. La velocità media. Which might have been somewhere between 21 and 35 kilometers an hour. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and I don't believe it if you went any faster than that. So talking about your ride, the average speed was 32, la velocità media era 32. But that doesn't tell the whole story, unless you can tell what distance you rode. La distanza. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 kilometri. And yeah, certainly, I know that you can go further than that. But for now, let's say the distance was 68 kilometers. La distanza era 68 chilometri. Passing 100, 100. You just go over again. 101, 102, 103, 104, 150, 198, 199, 200. And if people aren't impressed by now, I will give you the ammunition to start talking about the steepness of your ride. Dislivello complessivo. What was the elevation gain? So let's count some more meters. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 metri. Well, was it only 1,000 meters? Dislivello complessivo era 1000 metri. Or probably it was much more. 1100 metri, 1200 metri, 1500 metri, 2000 metri, 3000 metri, 3500 metri, 5000 metri, 8849 metri, 9000 metri, 10.000 metri. And anything above that, I guess people won't believe anyway. But these last figures may come in handy when you're going to inform your wife the price tag on your next Italian superbike. Il prezzo è 10.000 euro. Perfetto! Are there any more phrases that you'd like to learn in Italian? Please let me know in the comment section below. And stay tuned for some more Italian lessons for the road cyclist.